mask is really going to help you. लेकिन ये जो only using this is not good enough. I am going to teach you how to actually wear a mask. इसको हम कहते हैं सर्जिकल मास्क. These surgical masks, ideally, they provide more than 70% protection. So I'll teach you how to use a surgical mask. ये सर्जिकल मास्क में अगर आप ऊपर देखें तो यहाँ पे एक क्लिप होता है. It's usually made of steel. What you need to do is make sure that the clip sits on the contour of your nose, and take the loop of the mask and keep it, कान के पीछे लगा लीजिए and adjust it accordingly. Make sure कि आप ये क्लिप को अपने contour से बिल्कुल एकदम, you fit the contour of your nose so that there is no space in between, जिससे air या फिर कुछ और enter कर सकता है. अब एक चीज होती है कि a lot of surgical masks यहाँ पे ढीले हो जाते हैं. So what you can do in that situation is, या तो आप एक लूप बना लीजिए जिस तरीके से मैं ऑलरेडी बना चुकी हूँ इस तरीके से, और what you can also do is try and loop it out like this from both the sides. ऐसे क्रॉस कर लीजिए और कानों के पीछे पहन लीजिए. अब आप देखेंगे कि इट फिट्स माय फेस बेटर. यहाँ पे स्पेस कम रही, एंड इसके ऊपर यू कैन यूज अ क्लॉथ मास्क लाइक दिस एंड snug it close to your surgical mask. This is how you should actually ideally do double masking. This is going to help you prevent you from getting infection. And अगर आप इसी को अच्छे से follow करें इसको indoor setting में और in a setting where there are a lot of people around you, if you wear your masks this way properly, it is very unlikely that you would catch the infection. There are other masks also which I would want to talk about. ये है N95 mask but with an expiratory valve. So this is a very selfish mask actually अगर देखा जाए. You will ask why. This will definitely prevent you from getting an infection from someone. लेकिन if you are infected, you can give the infection to somebody because there is an expiratory valve over here. अगर आप देख सकते हैं. So if I press it, so it goes out, तो ये expiration. So if I sneeze, so I can release these droplets through the expiratory valve into the environment. So I would not recommend people using this. If you are using this, make sure you're using a surgical mask under it. Then comes one more mask जो N95 के जैसा ही है. Again, make sure that जो भी mask आप use कर रहे हैं उसमें ऊपर clip हो, because it will help keep the mask close to your nose. And one more thing that you need to remember while wearing a mask is please do not touch the mask. क्योंकि आप ये मास्क को टच ना करें. जो इसके लूप्स हैं या जो भी इसके स्ट्रैंड्स अटैच्ड हैं, make sure you touch those and fit them accordingly to your face contour. And make sure that you press on the clip and make sure कि इसमें यहाँ पे कोई स्पेस ना रहे, यहाँ से कोई स्पेस ना रहे. आप इस मास्क के अंदर भी सर्जिकल मास्क पहन सकते हैं. But if you are wearing an N95 mask, you do not need a mask under it at all. But if you're using a cotton mask or a mask like this or a mask like this, it's better to use a surgical mask under it. CDC ने एक चीज बोली है, they have said that अगर आप N95 masks ना use करें, leave them for the healthcare professionals because we're already short of resources. So in that case, a lot of people ask us what masks should we use. So I see a lot of people जो roads पे आप देखोगे कुछ लोग handkerchief बांधते हैं या फिर simple cloth use करते हैं, but that is actually not going to help you. What CDC says is that you need to have a cotton mask which should be multi-layered. 2 लेयर या 3 लेयर से ज्यादा होना चाहिए. और एक और चीज जो CDC कहता है कि अगर आप लाइट में अपना मास्क थोड़ा, if you try to keep your mask in the light, you have to make sure that the light does not pass through the mask. If it does, that means your mask is not safe enough. You have to change your mask. अब अगर हम सर्जिकल मास्क की बात करें, you guys will say कि इससे तो लाइट बिल्कुल ही पास कर जाएगी. So how does it help us? So one thing about surgical mask is जिस fabric का ये बना होता है, it's called non-woven fabric. It's different than the cloth mask. So it is impermeable to a lot of bacteria, a lot of viruses. And अगर आप क्लॉथ मास्क यूज कर रहे हैं, आप उसके अंडर ये सर्जिकल मास्क यूज कर रहे हैं. मेक श्योर टू ऑलवेज have a mask on when you are in a gathering where there are a lot of people. Mask is really going to help you. पहले हम लोग सोच रहे थे कि COVID-19 इन्फेक्शन इज ड्रॉपलेट इन्फेक्शन. सो ड्रॉपलेट का मतलब क्या होता है? ड्रॉपलेट का मतलब दैट वंस if I have the infection and I'm sneezing, so जब मैं sneeze करती हूँ, मैं कुछ droplets air में I'm letting them out in the air. So these droplets they through simple physics इनका size बहुत छोटा होता है, ये settle कर जाते हैं, they go to the ground, they gravity की वजह से they go and settle down. And but now that the new study has come that Lancet ने publish किए, it says that the infection is not droplet infection anymore, it is airborne. So when we say airborne, that means कि जब मैं sneeze कर रही हूँ, so I'm releasing the droplets which are going to remain suspended in air for some time, and then they take उसके बाद वो जाके settle होते हैं और they move, क्योंकि हवा भी चल रही, it keeps moving, especially when you're talking in a closed room setting. So the other person who enters the room once you've sneezed is more susceptible in getting the infection. So what is important for us at this point is to double mask.